Today, I'd like to provide you with an update on Mullen before the market opens. Let's delve into the data points, recent developments, comparisons, and actions taken by short sellers. Before I start, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. And also remember that this is not a financial advice video. Now let's start. Currently, in the pre-market, Mullen's stock is up by 3.58%. Yesterday, Mullen's official YouTube channel released a video titled Mullen Manufacturing Mishawaka. This video is being associated with another news item. The video directs viewers to Mullen's YouTube channel and reveals plans to transfer over 350 Class 1 vehicles to Tunica for final assembly. It seems like Mullen will utilize both the Mishawaka and Tunica facilities for this purpose. Additionally, there will be another 300 Class 1 vehicles arriving at Tunica later in the year, which will contribute to increased revenue. However, despite this positive news, there are some concerns arising from the video. Many viewers have noted the absence of employees in the footage and have compared it to a previous video by Sarah, where not much seemed to have changed since her visit in April. The line in the video shows the area someone walked through. It's important to mention that this video is a compilation of multiple clips and lasts approximately 2 minutes. Nevertheless, it has faced significant criticism. Mullen needs to understand that every piece of content they release, whether it's PR or videos, will be scrutinized and compared meticulously. People have raised issues with details like potentially rusted rotors or brakes, and believe that Mullen should address these matters, whether by cleaning up or showing employees performing tasks. Despite the video's shortcomings, it is still a positive sign that Mullen is starting production and making progress behind the scenes. However, the fact that the pre-market increase is only 3.45% indicates that investors are not entirely satisfied. It's likely that many were expecting more updates on the Tunica facility, considering that the Mishawaka facility was already set up for manufacturing. The installation of control arms by NRTC in Tunica is something people wanted to see, especially with the M3 commencing production this month, as stated in previous PRs. Returning to Sarah's post on April 28th, the video does not cover the section where all the vans are located, raising questions about the progress made there. It's essential to conduct your own due diligence and remember that I am not a financial advisor. I'd like to hear your thoughts on this matter. Do you consider the video a positive development from Mullen? What is your opinion of this PR? The production of approximately 350 vehicles for the year is a good starting point for revenue generation, although it's worth noting that this only pertains to Class 1 vehicles, not the entire Class 3 range. Sarah's post also raises the question of whether a similar process will occur, with most work being done at the Mishawaka facility and final assembly taking place in Tunica. The recent updates have sparked more questions than answers, particularly regarding short-selling activity. Allow me to provide you with a brief overview of what the shorts are doing. The short score currently stands at 72, with a utilization rate of 96.26%. Presently, short positions have increased by 2.31 million shares. Ortex has recently updated their short interest data, revealing an official figure of 8.87%. Previously, this was inaccurate due to an incorrect outstanding share count. Currently, there are still 51.77 million shares being shorted and listed on the threshold list. Today marks the 43rd day approximately since this situation began. It's important to keep an eye on this as it may lead to significant outcomes, potentially even reaching 100%. The average cost of borrowing stands at 9.25%, another factor to monitor. As I've mentioned before, with a surge of retail investors participating, it seems that many are lending their shares for short-selling purposes. This is evident from the overall cost of borrowing, which is determined by supply and demand. Guys, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about Mullen stock? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.